So we just picked up our RV and I didn't even get 25 miles down the highway. I already blew a tire. That didn't take long. See right over there, took it right out. These tires are 17 years old, and it didn't make it. And I've got to get tires on it already. But thankfully I was only driving 55, and my father, my wife were right behind us, right behind me, but that's a problem. And I was also told that the brake lights were fixed, and they're not. So I've been driving down the highway with bad brake lights. No brake lights. Good start. Situations like this are not going to be under control. Sometimes you can't control them. And we're starting off right away with a situation that is going to happen. It's either going to happen on the road or no. And guess what? No. My hair. Tread right off. This is our guy. Let's see. Brian's gonna come out and he's gonna hook it up to the front. He's gonna tow us 10 miles away. We're getting all new tires put on tomorrow morning. Tires and a new spare. How safe he is. look and see.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. They're low. Yeah.
Could be
That one right there. That one low.
this one.
Here are all the tires. So you can see clean rig all the way through on the one that came off. Thankfully it wasn't a leak. Oh, there, right here. Wow. But these tires are 17 years old. And the pressure was low on them when I was driving, so the combination of that plus the heat from the road, it was in a bad spot. Alright, so you can see that we had 6 new tires installed and we had a spare tire mounted. So we're ready to go. Now this experience could have happened to anybody, and it happened to us, and you know, there were some lessons that we took from this. So the first thing that I would say to anybody that's buying an RV, either used or new, is just make sure you do your homework, no matter what. There's always going to be things that are going to go wrong, but the better prepared you are mentally, the better it's going to be if an experience like this goes down. That's the first thing. Second thing, when you're picking up an RV, whether new or used, check the tire pressure. I knew for a fact that I was supposed to check that, and I didn't check it. And that combined with the age of the tires, which they were 17 years old, and we're on Florida highways where the temperatures were well over 90 degrees, that was the perfect storm for something to happen. And sure enough, it did. So check your tire pressure. Third thing, have towing coverage. So thankfully my father was with this, and he had AAA towing for RV. Now I've had AAA a long time, and I'm going to be adding that coverage onto our policy now, so that way we have it, because that tow, it was only 10 miles, but it would have cost us $225 just to have it towed just a little ways. So it paid itself off in the long run. And the last thing is just be patient if something like this goes down. It happened. I wasn't freaking out. It was definitely, I don't know, I felt the pressure, but we got through it, and you know, things like that are going to happen on the road. Everybody's going to go through something, and you know, we went through it. We went through it really early. We barely had the RV for less than 30 minutes, and we went through that. But things are much better now.